Yo guys, your boy, how you doing? Welcome to another video. Man, today's gonna be a hard video to react to, man. We just reacted to Trippie Redd with Trippie Redd featuring Juice WRLD. That was one of the hardest videos to react to because I really fuck with Juice WRLD, and now when I react with another guy that I fuck with that just passed away, man. And I fuck with Trippie Redd too, don't get me wrong. Today we're gonna be reacting to Trippie Redd, Danny Phantom featuring XXXTentacion, man. Let's go, man. It's gonna be a hard one to react to, man. It's going crazy because I fuck with him, man. Damn.
Back there.
Pull up in a ghost, big body ghost.
Yes, sir.
Danny Phantom ghost. Bitch, I'm going ghost. Bitch, I'm going ghost. Bitch, I'm going ghost. Bitch, I'm going ghost.
I think this is what he wore when he was doing the Moonlight video, man. I think I remember this Moonlight. Moonlight. Oh, rest in peace to X, man. Damn.
Bitch, I'm going ghost.
Yeah.
Nigga try me like on days low.
Yeah.
My dick, yeah, my body is so insane, I know. Bring that back, I'ma swing, let a nigga know. Just like the Knicks, play with my balls, play with my dick. Where is your walls? Just like a no.
Hey.
I'm at your home, right on your yard.
Where's your walls? Yo, where's your walls? You are messing with some hoes. Ain't nothing wrong with hoes.
Play with my balls, play with my dick. Where is your walls? Just like a no. I'm at your home, right on your yard.
Oh, wear out your walls. Oh my God. Oh, and I like this bed here, like X's. One of X's songs. I think that's his song.
Play with my balls, play with my dick. Where is your walls? Just like a no. I'm at your home, right on your yard, pulling your car. My baby body looks like the president. You cannot rap. You are irrelevant.
And bro, he had his own flow, man. His own flows. His own type of music. The same as Juice, man. Juice came with this melodic. I don't know. You knew Juice was on the track as soon as you heard him. You feel me? It's like Trippie Redd right now. You know Trippie Redd is on the track because his own sound. Like, you feel me? Trippie Redd. Pop Smoke, you knew Pop Smoke was on the track. You just feel the dog. Pop Smoke, Juice, Trippie Redd, Ski Mask. I really fuck with Ski Mask hard, man. Pause. But I fuck with him really, really hard.
The beginning, just like I'm Genesis, she wanna fuck, cause I got melanin, ayy.
Yes, sir, you got the melanin. She wanna fuck because I got the melanin. Shout out to you, man.
Danny Phantom ghost. Bitch, I'm going ghost. Bitch, I'm going ghost. Bitch, I'm going ghost. Bitch, I'm going ghost.
Damn, bro. Damn. Damn, bro. Damn. Damn, bro. Long live Ja, man. Long live Ja, man. It was really, really, really dope. I really fuck with. Man. That just messed it up again, man. I just reacted to the one with Juice, like I said, man. The thing that fucks me up, both of them, they were my age, man, when they passed away. Like, in that time, they were the same age. When the same age right now, if they were still alive. That's the shit that fucks me up, man. Damn. Yeah, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Peace.
Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel.